There's a gold rush going on right now. Everyday people are making life-changing money with TikTok's creativity program. And today, I'll show you a step-by-step how to replicate those results. Even if you're a complete beginner and want in the creativity program, this video is just for you. But remember, it won't be this easy for much longer. So you have to take action as fast as possible. So first of all, I'll tell you what this niche actually is. It's a fact-telling niche. Here's an example video.
The Eiffel Tower can be 15 cm taller during the summer due to the expansion of iron in the heat.
I made a video on storytelling niche and you can also check that out. Now I won't waste any more time and I'll just teach you on how to create those. First we need fact. Come to ChatGPT and ask 10 mind-blowing facts and choose some. I'd recommend at least 5 of them. If you don't like them, don't worry, just regenerate. After that, you have two options. Number 1, you can either have image on the background of the video, or number 2, have satisfying relaxing video running in the background. If you want images, then come to Leonardo AI, sign up and go here. You can now generate images with prompts. Play around with it and you can generate any type of image you want. But I prefer the relaxing video because it's far more easier. Now come to YouTube desktop or you can use Google on your mobile. Then write satisfying video. Click on the 3 bars and select commercial use. Now you are eligible to use these videos. After that, go to 11 Labs for AI voices. You can use other ones too and select the realistic voice. Paste the facts we generated with ChatGPT and click generate. After that, you need to edit it. Go to CapCut, it's free. Go to new project, add all of the videos we got from YouTube. Then put the voiceover and then click on the text and click auto caption. It will generate captions for you so you don't have to write them individually. Then choose an animation for the caption with a good font and size. After you do this, you might wanna add some background music. Adjust the video like you want it to be. Add some effects if you wanna add animation. And if you did everything correctly, you will have a video perfect for this niche. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you have any question or didn't understood a part, leave a comment and I'll help you. See you in the next one.